Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two WhatsApp on the same Android. So in order to use different account on WhatsApp in the same phone, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So it's a very simple process that recently WhatsApp has updated the feature, and now you'll be able to add account on your WhatsApp application. So basically to do that, you have to make sure to update your application first thing and open up a WhatsApp application and tap the three dot icon next to it. Then you have to go to the settings icon, and here you'll be able to see your info, and just in the top right hand side click on the arrow icon, and from the drop down menu click on add account. Now you need to go ahead and select the terms and condition or mark on the terms and condition, type in the phone number, and then you'd have to tap on the next button. After that, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. So for that, a call or a verification code will be sent, which you have to enter in, and as soon as you do that, you have to set up profile, and you create a username and all that, and you can use two WhatsApp account on the same Android. So that's basically how you can use two WhatsApp account on the same Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.